Hi! Today's story is Rooster's Busy Day. Rooster starts his day, like most roosters do, by calling out quite loudly, "Cock-a-doodle-doo!" Rooster crows good morning to his busy baby chicks. Here come 1, 2, 3. There go 4, 5, 6. When Rooster feels hungry, he pecks along the dirt. He finds a worm for lunch and another for dessert. Rooster finds a perch high above the flock. The hen struts slowly by with a "bok, bok, bok." Rooster's work is finished. His busy day is done. Now he dreams a dream about the next day's sun. Goodbye.